What's up, sweathearts? You knew it was coming. Here's a tutorial for Texas Hold'em by Queen Bee, Beyoncé herself. Let's get right into it. Belt buckles, yeehaw. We've been here before. Grab those belts. We do right foot, heel, toe, skitch right there. Pa, pa, pa. And you can add a little jump here if you want. I'll show it the first time without, second time with it when we're dancing it. But it goes heel, toe, hit, or heel, toe, switch, and tap. Then switch to the left foot. Heel, toe, switch, and tap. All right, so either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we go to the right. We do right, pop the knee, double right, left, pop left, double left. Arms go out, cross, double right, left, throw both, double left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That repeats 2 times. To the front. Giddy up. We go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Option without a jump. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. We just came back. 7 and 8. Right hand up, left on the hip, a little slow dance. We go 1, 2, 3, point. So right hand that's up is going to point to you, that's a word, and the left hand is going to come behind the head. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go back, the hand just drops the hip, 5, 6, 7, and then we take the back of the right foot to the left hand and we hit it. And the arms switch, pop. That's the most complicated move, I promise. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have our guns. Down on the right, down on the left, step with that left foot, throw, the word is bitch, and walk back, turn back here. And the first time we get a little, ooh, extra music and we're gonna use it. Second time we don't. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Yes. To the front. We did pop, 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 double, pop, 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 double. Can't slow dance with you. Bum, 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 bum. 2, double right, double left, throw right hand, turn it back, boot, 10. We just kind of a little slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Booty, all right. All right, time for the first verse. That was the chorus. Here we go. We do left foot. Touch, touch, quick, quick, quick. Touch, touch, quick, quick, quick. There's 2 of those. Arms are loosey-goosey. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right knee goes in, out, 4 heels to the left. Yeah, so we cover that left foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left knee goes in, out to the left, tap, tap, tap. Then we go right, 2, 3, and 4, left, 2. This time the right knee goes in, out, heel, 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 heel. So a little step crosses, the arms are loosey-goosey. When we start with the knee, we can go cross, 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 and then down, 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 down. The first verse, we're gonna do it 4 slow. The second verse, we're gonna do 2 slow, 4 fast. So I'll show the fast one. It goes 1, 2 with the knees. This is the same. Second time, we're gonna go slow, slow, quick, 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 heel. Tap, tap, left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. We go slow, slow, quick, 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 and heel, 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 heel. Facing the front, I'll do it one time slow, one time second verse with the fast. We came around, oh! Right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 4, 3, 2, 1, and 5, 6, 7. Left foot. Tap, tap, change it. Right, tap, change left knee. Slow, 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 slow. 4, 3, 2, 1. Second verse, we go a little bit faster. We do the same thing in the beginning. Tap, pump, pump, pump. 2 slow knees, then we 4 fast. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slow, slow, quick, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, we have one more part. It's the verse or bridge. You decide, but here's the movement for it. We have hands back on the belt. We have a big cowbell belt buckle. And we go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just front, front, back, back, yeah? And then we start with that right foot and we go down and down and down and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Left foot goes front and back around 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot forward, front, front, back, back. This time the left goes 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Right foot rocks and back around ta, 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 ta. There is an option for an extra toe down clap. Try it without it first and see if we get to it. But we go with the clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, around, pop. This time left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and left, around 5, 6, 7, 8. And we get right back into our chorus. Let's see that last verse facing the front. We go front, right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Rock left, back left, around 5, 6, 7. Left foot, front, front, back, back, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and right, and back around, pa, pa. We'll try it with that clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left foot, front, 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 back, back, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And of course, if you want it, you could do 5, 6, turn, and heel. So you can always add a turn if you're feeling feisty, but you don't need it, you don't need it. And don't worry about too much about this, that'll come later, but you'll hear it in the music, all right? So let's see. We have chorus, we have 2 verses. The same thing ends with this thing at the end. It's just really nice, slow music. So we'll get into that, but you'll see it when we dance it. So it's time, let's dance it.